Wall stars. Tired of staring at the same old walls? You're not alone. More and more people are turning to fabulous wall tiles to transform their surroundings, adding color, texture, and pattern to their space. Looking for warmth and character? Check out eye-catching brick styles. Looking for something more dynamic? Consider a rich color or playful patterns in whatever size and scale you like. There are plenty of new classics here too, from 3D subway designs and dramatic floor-to-ceiling looks. If you're looking for an elegant backdrop that is full of texture and organic sophistication, you'll want to get to know the latest and innovative wall treatments. It's the perfect time to flex your imagination, to make a statement. Surround yourself with dimension, texture, color, and pattern, because no area is off limits and no statement is too big or small. It's time to join the wall stars.